Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a passenger side mirror on a Nissan Rogue. First, gather your tools, including a trim removal tool, a 10mm socket, and a ratchet. Next, gently pry off the interior door panel to expose the mirror's wiring and mounting bolts. Be sure to disconnect the electrical connector for the mirror's power functions. Finally, use your socket wrench to remove the 3 mounting bolts that secure the old mirror to the door frame. Now, let's install the new mirror. Carefully align the new mirror assembly with the mounting holes on the door frame. Insert and tighten the 3 mounting bolts using your socket wrench, ensuring a snug fit. Don't forget to reconnect the electrical connector to power up the mirror's features. Before reassembling, test the mirror's adjustments and any heating elements to confirm everything works correctly. With the new mirror securely in place, it's time to reassemble the door panel. Carefully align all the clips and fasteners on the back of the door panel with their corresponding slots. Make sure any electrical connections for the door panel's controls are reattached. Press firmly around the edges of the panel to snap it back into its original position. Finally, check that your window and door lock controls are fully functional. Before you finish, perform a few final checks. Double-check all connections and mounting points to ensure everything is secure and tight. Take a moment to clean the new mirror surface for optimal visibility while driving. Adjust the mirror to your preferred viewing angle for safe operation. If you encountered any difficulties, remember that many online video tutorials offer excellent visual guidance for this process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.